Hello student, all of you take out your GK book, that is page number 22. Okay, so what is in page number 22? You see worms and insects. First we will learn what is worms. Okay, worms is what? Worms are what? Worms are animals that have no bone. Okay, they crawl on the ground. That are what? Worms. And insects means what? Insects are the animals which have 6 legs. Okay, that are insects. So let's see which number one. You see which worm we see everywhere? Ant. Which insect we see everywhere? Cockroach. Next you see which worm has thorns on it? Caterpillar. Which insect sucks blood? Mosquito. Next you see which worm stings? Scorpion. Next you see which insect gets honey in its shelter? Honeybee. So student, all of you learn nicely at home. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you.